Take control of your personal finances with Notion AI. Here's a step-by-step guide how to manage your personal finances. So first of all, what you need to do, go ahead to your app. So Google Play, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Go ahead and open up the app and basically go to draft a new subject, right? Or new new template. So we're gonna ask by clicking right here, tap continue, we're gonna ask the Notion AI right here, not here, next to it. We're gonna ask AI to basically create a monthly budget template, right? We can use basically our income. Make sure that you include categories like income, expenses, savings, and investments. You should write it down next to the create monthly budget template, right? And then we're gonna hit enter. Let me hit enter, and now they're thinking, right? And they're gonna write down their basically that template. Okay, you're gonna see right here, and basically we're gonna accept it and make sure that you add the salary, the side income, and the total income, right? And the fixed expenses, rent and mortgage, utilities, phone and internet, insurance. You can use variable expenses like groceries, transportation, entertainment, shopping, healthcare, and for saving and investments like emergency fund, retirement, or other savings. For monthly summary, total income, total expenses, total savings, and remaining balance, right? And here you're gonna see the notes and reminders. Update income at start of the month, right? Review and pay bills. Track expenses weekly, and review budget at month end. So with Notion AI, managing your finances becomes simpler and more efficient. Start building your financial future today. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.